stop, hold on a second. What's the big rush? Before you rally up to the hill, race to the top, strap in and drop. Just wait a second. Take a deep breath and look around, listen. There are a million stupid things going on in the world, and you, lucky, fortunate you, get to ride a snowboard. It's a luxury some people will never discover. Flip on the news any day of the week and it should be crystal clear. We've got it made compared to most of the rest of the world. Playtime is something kids all over the planet will only ever dream of because they're trying to dodge bullets and bombs. Every day we get to spend out there in the snow is a gift. So before you frantically tear open these gifts, just looking forward to the next one, just slow your roll a minute, take in the sights and sounds and savour these fleeting moments. Because once they pass, they've gone forever.
And everything is going to the beat. And everything is going to the beat. And everything is going
Come on!
Cold hand.
All the crazy shit I did tonight, those will be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for the night. That would be the best therapy for me. All the crazy shit I did tonight, those would be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for the night. That would be the best best therapy for me. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for tonight. That would be the best therapy for me. All the crazy shit I did to you. Crush a bit, little bit, roll it up, take a hit, feeling lit, feeling right, 2 a.m. summer night, I don't care, hand on the wheel, driving drunk, I'm doing my thing, rolling the mid beside and out, living my life, getting our dreams, I'ma do just what I want, looking ahead, no turning back, people told me slow my roll, I'm screaming out, fuck that, I'm screaming out, fuck that, I'm screaming out, fuck that, fuck that, fuck that, fuck that, fuck that. Tell me what you know about dreaming, dreaming. You don't really know about nothing, nothing. Tell me what you know about the night terrors every night. 5 a.m. cold sweats waking up to the sky.